Welcome to Mikab Model College online tutorial. We hope at the end of this lesson, you will have acquired the expected learning outcome. Sit down and listen attentively as we introduce your subject teacher.
Welcome to another French class. My name is Mary, your French teacher. In our last class, we discussed verb avoir and verb être. Today, we want to learn numbers in French. Les nombres. Les nombres. It is number. We want to learn number 1 to 20. How to say them in French. Repeat after the teacher. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, vingt. Let's go over it again. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, vingt. It is very simple to read numbers in French. Just pay attention to the pronunciation and you'll be able to read it. Now, when you want to say your age in French, you must know how to read the numbers in French. If you want to say your age in French, you must learn how to read the numbers in French. That is the essence of the number. Now, let's go to PRéSENTER. PRéSENTER. Self-presentation. We start from Bonjour. Bonjour, mes amis. Bonjour, mes amis. Je m'appelle Marie. Je m'appelle Marie. J'ai 8 ans. J'ai 8 ans. Je suis éléve. Je suis éléve. Mon école s'appelle Mikab. Mon école s'appelle Mikab. J'habite à Okene. J'habite à Okene, dans l'état de Kogi. Dans l'état de Kogi. J'aime le sport. J'aime le sport. Je parle anglais et français. Je parle anglais et français. Merci. Bonjour means good day. Mes amis, my friend. Good day, my friends. My name is Mary. I am 8 years old. I am a student. The name of my school is Mikab. I live in Okene, in Kogi State. I love sports. I speak English and French. Thank you. You see, it is very easy because we use this one and we use verb s'appeler to make this one. While we use verb avoir to making the age, then we use verb être to make the student, and we still use verb s'appeler to make the name of the school. We use verb habiter in this one, while we use verb aimer in this one. We use verb to speak in this one, and that is how we make our sentence with the verb. You can see it's very good. When you know how to conjugate all your verbs, then you'll be able to make sentence in French. Let's go to the next one, which is présenter quelqu'un. Présenter quelqu'un. Introduction of someone. This one, you are going to introduce your friend. The first one will be you can introduce yourself, but this one you introduce your friend. Now, this is how to do it. Bonjour mes camarades. Bonjour mes camarades. Je m'appelle David. Je m'appelle David. Je te présente mon ami. Je te présente mon ami. Il s'appelle Johnson. Il s'appelle Johnson. Il est élève. Il a 7 ans. Il habite à Nagazi. Il aime l'orange. Il mange la liqueur. Il parle français. You see, we still use all those verbs in making this sentence. Both s'appeler, être, habiter, parler. So it is very simple when you know how to break your verb down. Let's go over it again. From the first one. Bonjour mes amis. Good day, my friend. Je m'appelle Marie. My name is Mary. J'ai 8 ans. I am 8 years old. Je suis éléve. I am a student. Mon école s'appelle Mikab. The name of my school is Mikab. J'habite à Okene. I live in Okene, dans l'état de Kogi in Kogi State. J'aime le sport. I love sport. Je parle anglais et français. Merci. I speak English and French. Thank you. The next one. Présenter quelqu'un. Introduction of someone. Bonjour mes camarades. Good day, my friend. Je m'appelle David. My name is David. Je te présente mon ami. I want to present my friend. Il s'appelle Johnson. His name is Johnson. Il est élève. He's a student. Il a 7 ans. He's 7 years old. Il habite à Nagazi. Live in Nagazi. Il aime l'orange. He like orange. He mange la liqueur. He's eating beans. He parle français. He speak French. This will be the end of today's class. In our next class, we'll be discussing nationality, which is nationality. Stay tuned. Thanks.